Hi, this is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video I'm going to give you a complete demo on QuizzMate. So after you log in, you will see this screen. This is basically your dashboard. Here you can get a complete overview of entire system, like how many quizzes are there, leads, views, conversion rates, and there are a bunch of stats here which will give you in-depth information of each and every quiz that you have created, and also the conversion rate for each and every quiz. So let's start. So basically this is our sidebar. Here in this menu you can the quiz menu, can create quizzes, you can check out or done for your quizzes as well, and the quiz list. And here the second option, this is basically the answers, like complete analytics of each and every quiz. Here this is the lead management. So basically once a lead comes in, you can schedule from the software itself, like whether you want to manually mail them or set up an automated sequence. And here you can see all the list of automatic sequence that you have created. And last one, the settings. Here you can set up your SMTP and the autoresponder as well. So regarding the SMTP, you need to enter these details. Basically you will get all these details from your web hosting provider. So once you set up the SMTP, you can send a mail directly from QuizzMate dashboard itself. And this is the autoresponder setting. Here basically you can add integrate your autoresponder whatever you like. If something which you like is not in the list, please feel free to send an email and we will be happy to integrate that for you. So this is all about setting. Now let's go ahead and let me show you how to create a quiz. So basically in the quiz we have several type of quiz. So first type is engagement type. Basically these are like question and answer type of quizzes. Response generator. So this is one of the most special quiz where you will have the basic question and answer, as well as you can insert a spin wheel in between the quiz. And this is the survey quiz. Basically here you can add a question which has rating, for example the customer support, customer feedback, etc. I'll be showing with a demo. And this is the score type quiz, basically just like a test. And this is a poll type. And this is the custom quiz where you will have all the option of all the quizzes. And the last and final is video quiz. Here you will have an option to give a video and then set a question and answer. So basically user will be seeing the video. Once they see it, they will read the question and they will give the answer. So let me start with engagement quiz. So with the basic question and answer, so I'll just select this, I'll give a name, it is demo quiz, and then I'll click on next. And here this is basically the quiz header image. If you want, you can upload your own image or you can select one of them, it's optional. So once you click on next, you will be taken to this interface. This is basically a mapper, a quiz mapper. Here you will have a lot of notes. Basically you will be adding a lot of question, lead forms and results to complete the quiz. So here this is the starting form, that is the starting pop-up. I'll just type as welcome to engagement quiz. And here you have all the option. So for example, I can change the style, size, font, everything as you wish. So this is the next button. Basically I'll just click on, I'll just type as start quiz, click on save. Now you need to click on add a question, as we'll be adding few questions here. Just click on this edit button. This is your question 1, and here you will have a lot of options as well. So basically in the type of answers, basically this is same for all the quiz tab. We have several options here like checkbox, radio button, image, and the text box. So for now, just for testing, I'll just select as radio button. So basically this is yes or no. I'll just type as yes and click on add. I'll be typing no here. Here you can also add a video, which is optional, as well as the custom header image. And regarding the image, you can either select from a URL, Pixabay, or from your local disk. So, and here this is basically a bottom bar. So once you select this, the bottom bar will have this content, and you can select the timer. So basically it goes in reverse, that is, it's a countdown timer. So I'll just so deselect it, just click on save. So this is our first question. I'll be adding another question here. This is my question 2. I'll select checkbox here. I'll type as check 1. I'll add a bunch of more. I'll type as check 2, check 3. Just click on save. Now you see the flexibility. Basically, if a user answers yes, he will be taken to this question if it is linked. So you need to link the start with a node. So if the user answers yes for first question, he will be taken to question number 2. And if he clicks on no, you can configure, you can add another question, and you can configure the user like this quiz to take him to this question. So basically, if user clicks on yes, he will be taken to this question. If it is no, it will be taken to this question. So I'll be editing this as well. Question 2, and here I'll put as text box. So basically user will get a text area to write his own answer. I'll just click on save. Now I'll be adding a lead form. So I am now selecting, like for example, if user selects on checkbox 1 or checkbox 2 or checkbox 3, then he'll be taken to this lead form. As well as in this question, if user clicks on next, he will be taken to this lead form as well. So basically everything is leading to this lead form. And here you can type the text. Thanks, please enter the details below so we can contact you and give this support. That's it. Here you can also collect mobile number of the users. So once you're done, just click on save, submit. Now the last part of creating a quiz is to add a result. So I'll just click on add results. What I'll be doing is I'll just move here. So after the lead form, he will be taken to the result. Here, thanks for your inputs, we will get back to you soon. That's it. Exit. This is basically a button text. So that's it, our quiz is done. And we have something else called quiz setting. Basically here you need to first, if you have a lead form, you need to select autoresponder here and then select your list. And here in the quiz setting we have several options. For example, if you want to redirect a user after completion of the quiz, you can just enter the URL here and set up the parameters. And here delay on start, this means that the quiz will start after the specified time, and you need to enter a number here. So for example, if you enter 5 here, after 5 seconds the quiz will start. Basically this is used in pop-up. So once a user visits a website, after 5 seconds this pop-up will show and the quiz will start. And this is basically the background color and font family for the pop-up. So once you select everything, just click on close, and then the final step is to click on publish. So once you do that, your quiz will be ready and you can get a final preview here. And like you can get a hosted link, as well as you can get a script where you can copy paste anywhere, and another script. This is like if you are using any page builders, you can use the script in your page builders, and this is a direct link to share in social media. So this is all about engagement quiz. Now let me move to the next type. So I'll just TQ12. I'll now show you response generator, that is how to use Pinwheel to create a quiz. So here the process is quite same. You will be adding a question here. I'll just type some question here, some question, and the answer I'll just select as checkbox. I'll add one more. Yes, no. Then I'll click on save, and then I will click on add wheel. So basically this is this Pinwheel. So try your luck here for the discount percentage. So here basically if you're offering a discount to a user, you can put this quiz, add a spin wheel, and let user know that they are lucky, and you can add few values here so that it will motivate the user to click on the spin wheel, and then like it will rotate and it will give a value, so user will be quite happy with it. And there are like 70% of the chance that he will drop his lead, that is his email, so that you can mail him back with the discount code. So our main goal is to generate lead is fulfilled here. So let me put some percentage here. I'll just put as 20, 30, 40, 50. Here we can configure where to stop. So for example, if I select 2, so it will always stop at 30. So click on save, and then I'll add a lead form. Here I'll just type as enter your email to receive your discount code, submit. So now I just need to connect all of them. And then finally I need to add result. Thanks for your input. We have sent an email. Please check your mailbox. And the exit button, exit quiz. Click on save. That's it. Once the lead form is done, we will be taking him to the result page. So this is all about our response grabber. So here basically you need start and end. These two are mandatory, and you need to ensure that you are editing that and saving them and then linking up the entire flow. So I'll just click on publish. That's it. Now let's move on to the next quiz type, which is surveyor quiz. So basically this is used mostly to get feedback from the users. Survey 1. Welcome to customer feedback survey. Start. So here I will add a survey. I will link the start to our first survey. I'll click on edit. So I'll just type in few things like how would you like to rate our customer executives feedback, and here you can select different type of rating icon, that is rating styles. So I'll be selecting the stars first. I'll just click on save. I'll add another survey now, and now I'll be asking how would you like to rate our turnaround time for your problem. So I'll be selecting this model, click on save, and then finally I'll add a lead form. I'll mention as thanks for your inputs, please share your email ID so we can get back to you ASAP. Submit. And finally we need to add the result. Thanks, we will get back to you as soon as possible. Exit. So this is our survey quiz. So once you publish, you will get this. Here you see the star rating, and here you see this model and your name and email. That's it. So this is all about our survey quiz. So let's move ahead to the next quiz tab, which is poll type quiz. So I'll just click on poll type. I'll just type as poll test 1. Next. So here you will be adding a question. Who is the most honest person? So here you can type the name, myself, my friends, my parents, and then click on save. Like you can add one more question here. So which is the best fruit? Apple, watermelon, mango. Click on save. Then here you need to add a lead form. Here you need to click on edit, and I'll be adding some data here. Great. Are you interested to get the results of the quiz? If yes, please enter the details below. Submit. And finally we need to add a result. Thanks, we will send an email shortly. Exit. So now what we have to do is we just need to connect. once once this is done, that's it. You can see the preview here. So the who is the most honest person, I'll just click on myself, and which is the best fruit, I'll just click on watermelon, and here the lead form and followed by the exit. So this is all about the survey quiz, that is the poll type quiz. Now let's move to next type of quiz. So we will be seeing video type of quiz. So I'll just video one. Click below button to start quiz. Start. So I'll add a question here. Video, image, data, files, and here you need to give a YouTube or Vimeo video URL. So I'll just put a dummy URL here, and then I'll click on save. And you need to add a lead form and then result. So just connect them for now. Thanks, exit. Lead form, please enter details below. So submit. So basically now our video quiz is complete. I'll just click on publish. So basically a video will come, and below that question will come, and 2 answers will come. So you can use it as you wish. Like, only creativity is the boundary here. So I believe we have seen all types of quizzes, and now let's see the answer. So basically you can get all the information of each and every answers of the quiz in this page by clicking on show details. So this is all about QuizzMate, and if you have any doubts, anything, any feedbacks, please feel free to create a support ticket or drop a email at support@prowebventures.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.